Hello there, this is Brett giving you a box break or a pack break or however you want to call it. Yeah, I paid $9.98 at Walmart for this. I thought I'd just give it a try and let's see what I get. And man, I'm just having a see what I get. Let's go with half. It's not too bad. I like the yeah, it's not bad cards. I don't know about the distribution of the inserts or anything like that. Yeah, it's not a bad set. Bad cards. Yeah. Yeah, not too bad. Let's see what I get in the second half. David Wright. I don't know what. I think this is a gold card. I think. Yeah, it's a gold card. Number 1613 out of 2088. And it's a Yankee. That's cool. I'm a Yankee fan, so it's all good. That's cool. Aaron Judge. Alex Bergman. 3 of that. Let's speed it up a little bit. Desmond Pedroia, Adam Duvall, Joey Rickard, Wade Davis, Chad Burnett, Greg Bird, Michael Bradley, Travis Shaw, D. Gordon, Victor Martinez, Curtis Granison, Sonny Gray, Aaron Hicks. Yeah, I don't know if I got a good box or not. But anyways, that's my first box of this year, Series 2 2018 Topps. Let me know what you think about your cards, you know, this year's cards in the comment section below. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you want a shout out, let me know. Be more than happy to give you one in the next video. Till then, take it easy. Bye.